Testing. 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, I'm going to be starting a Codewars series. If you don't know what Codewars is, let me give you a quick recap. Codewars, you do challenges like this one, friend or foe. You write code, you attempt and test it, and if it works, you get more Q. I'm pretty sure. I don't really know. So I'm just gonna be going through the. I'm gonna be going through this Codewars challenge, and yeah, you can just watch how I code, and you can list in the comments if I could have done anything more efficiently. Okay, so make a program that filters a list of strings. If a name has exactly 4 letters in it, then it's good. Okay, so it needs to go through the whole array. So for I equals 0, I is less than friends.length, plus. Okay. If friends at I dot length equals 4, then var result equals, okay, and then so you do result dot I want to say append. Let's just do push. Result dot push friends at I. And then I think you can just return result. Let's attempt that. Okay, so it worked. Let me see. What are the tests though? 40 random tests. Okay. There you go. There's one. Submit.